Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering proof and details. This saves time. Check the ban message and record the exact date and account name. Next, capture screenshots of any receipts or chat logs. These show ownership and context. Make sure you note your iOS version and device serial. Support often asks. Once done, assemble App Store purchase history and the Apple ID email you used. Doing this up front makes the rest of the appeal clear and quick, and explains why you should be treated as the legitimate account holder. You now contact Growtopia support with a concise, factual appeal. Open the in-game or web support form, paste your account name, device info, and attach those screenshots and purchase proof. Explain exactly what happened, be clear about whether it was a mistaken action or a disputed report, and why you believe the ban should be lifted. Once you've sent it, offer cooperation. Provide logs if asked, promise to follow rules, and ask for specific next steps. This shows good faith and increases chances of reversal. You finish by following up and addressing setbacks. Wait 48 to 72 hours for an initial reply. If you hear nothing, send a polite, short follow-up referencing your ticket number. If support denies the appeal, ask them to state the exact policy or evidence and request escalation. This forces clarity. If all appeals fail, consider troubleshooting. Unlink and relink Apple ID, reinstall the app, or contact Apple for billing or account disputes. Key tip: keep all communications polite and documentary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.